Hello and welcome. We are a student-run mini-company called Sewing Workshop, founded at the Stepanivka Inter-School Educational and Production Center, located in the picturesque village of Stepanivka, in the Chernihiv region of Ukraine. Our company was born out of a deep love for sewing and a desire to create something meaningful, useful, and beautiful. The main focus of our work is producing eco-friendly tote bags with custom hand-painted designs. Each bag is not just an accessory, it's a piece of art that reflects creativity and individuality. In addition to crafting products, we also organize hands-on workshops, where we share our skills with anyone interested in learning to sew and design. We had the opportunity to participate in an entrepreneurship camp, where we gained essential knowledge in business, teamwork, and financial planning. We also took part in the Youth Entrepreneurship Fair, where we proudly showcased our products and received positive feedback from visitors. A key strength of our company is our well-structured teamwork. Each member has their own clear responsibilities, and together we form a strong, motivated team. Christina is our founder and leader. She inspires the team, coordinates our work, and makes key decisions. Sonia is in charge of customer communication. She manages orders, consults clients, and maintains our brand image. Tatiana is our financial manager, responsible for budgeting, tracking income and expenses. Olia handles marketing. She promotes our products on social media, creates advertising content, and helps attract new customers. Another Tatiana is our main seamstress, who carefully brings our designs to life through sewing. Ruslana is our artist, who hand paints each tote bag, making them unique and full of character. Each of us puts our heart into what we do, and it's thanks to this cooperation and shared passion that we continue to grow and succeed. Our mini company is proof that with creativity, teamwork, and a dream, students can build something real and inspiring. Thank you for your support and interest in our work. We look forward to continuing our journey, creating, and inspiring others along the way.